spike and block. And remember that teamwork is the key to victory. Oh my gosh, I hope they don't do like setter dumps or anything. Like I wonder if I'll have to like dig for a ball. Okay. Oh my gosh, let's go! Okay, we'll do one round and we'll move on to the next one. Oh, too early. Oh! 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 Yeah! Oh! 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 Oh, a little late. It's okay. Maybe it's at the apex that I have to jump for the spike.
Match over.
We did it! We did it! We did it! JoJo pose. It's like I don't actually remember how to. Wait, I wonder if I can. Oh, wait. Take a picture. Uh-oh, my camera got glitched. It's okay. No worries. Don't glitch out the camera like I did just now. Let me do it again. I probably shouldn't, because it'll probably glitch the camera again. I think it was too powerful. Okay. Is the Joy-Con strap attached? Uh-oh. They caught me. Badminton! Is it badminton or badminton? Okay. Like that. Okay. I'm nervous. Okay, here we go. Oh! Nice. There's. Oh! That was so scary. Oh! Come on! Whoa! Oh, I grabbed the camera again. Let's put it down. That was intense. So intense, I grabbed the camera again. Let me fix it. Match point! Oh no, it's okay. Okay. Alright. Oh, okay. Whoa! Oh! Boom! Okay. Oh, that's a dubious one. Oh! No! Good. Oh man. That's spooky right there. Oh! Wow! Oh my gosh, okay. Bowling. Okay. Hopefully this won't be too intense. Okay. Oh, just kidding. Oh, I have to hold ZR. Oh, nice. Oh, come on. Oh, okay. Spare, please. Oh, come on. Bowling anime gods, you got this. Ah! You need to do the noises. The noises help. That was a good one. Woo! Woo! Come on. Ah! I've never heard of it too. I wonder if we can get a 5. Is that a pentakill? Enough power. Woo! Powerful. Woo! Wait, I gotta do the pose. Yeah! Wait, somebody take my picture. I'm so excited. Dun. Rita's stand is a bowling ball. Can you Photoshop a bowling ball into my hand? Professional bowler? Okay, right here. In this hand. Right here. Oh, so you're approaching me. Okay. Soccer! We have to kick! Oh my god! You think this is good? Okay. Let's do it! Okay. Oh, here we go. Ah! Oh! Nice! Woo! Oh, Chris is good. Oh! It's young, scrappy, and hungry. I don't remember the lyrics. Oh, now throwing away my shot. Ah! Oh, Chris got the golden ball. Oh no. Okay. Ah! I messed it up. Good try though. Like this. It's okay. I did really good in the bowling, so it's okay that I didn't do so well on the soccer. Here we go. I don't wanna go too crazy. Whoa! Whoa! This is like Sword Art Online. Eh! Oh gosh. Yeah! Eh! There we go. And yeah! Yeah, you have to go yeah! Like Papyrus. Yeah! Oh! Ow! 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 Oh! Oh, wow. This is like a horror game where you're fighting. Oh my gosh. Ah! Oh! Oh! Oh my gosh! Nice. Jeez! You have to repeat after me, okay? I think you all know what's coming, Omori fans. Are you ready? When I flex, I feel my best! Go, your turn! When I flex, I feel my best! Woo! Oh my gosh! Yay! Like this. Look at that. Whoa. Okay, ready? Let's see if I have muscle check. That's just the poof of my sleeve. Not quite yet. All right. Last one. Tennis. One game wins the match. Oh my gosh, there's no tutorial? Tutorials? Okay. JoJo reference time again. Dun dun. Da, da, da. This time you have to Photoshop the tennis racket in my hand. Oh. You thought you'd approach me. Just kidding. Nice, nice. Oh, wow. Woo! Oop, oop. Almost lost it there. Oh. What do you call a back and forth in tennis? Is that a volley or a rally? What is that called? Nice! Okay. Oh, he's serving. Oh, wow. Oh, oh. There we go. Nice. Meh. 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 Wow! Wow. Wow! Victory dance. Yay! We did it! Wow. I'm sorry. I don't know. It helps me get into it. Woo! Victory screech! Water check. There we go. Okay. No worries. Service! Okay. Service! Nice up. Oh! Okay. Oh. I was never good at blocking. It's okay. Nice! Go team! Wow. This is intense. Should we do one more? Should we do it on the strong setting? I kind of want to see how hard it is. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Service? Ah! Oh, nice. Nice. Oh! When I flex, I feel my best. Dun dun da da da. Put the volleyball in my hand. Dun dun da 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 da. Okay, here we go. This might glitch the camera. Da 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 da. Yeah, I really enjoyed volleyball too. Well, I am sweating up a storm, so I'm gonna head backstage real quickly. I'm gonna go ahead and change back into my regular streaming clothes. I'm really sweaty. So